I've always wanted a dedicated 4K dashcam that I could easily transfer between vehicles, but did not want to spend anywhere near as much as my other video equipment and phone. You might say that I was getting carried away in many ways. I wished for something small and simple. Then I found this Vantrue Element 1 Pro, and I thought I'd give it a try. I'll start with the unboxing and move on to both day and night driving video in one car, and then a day adventure in a convertible. Some music will be playing. If you have a few seconds, please let me know what you think. By the way, if my voice is coming from one side of you, maybe that's because I'm watching your reaction to this video. There are two ways to mount the camera: using the electrostatic stickers and 3M tape applied mounting bracket, or my choice, a suction cup. was suggested to me to put that sheet of paper on the dash out in the sun and then adjust the CPL lens slightly so that the reflection of the paper image goes away. When I came back after this trip, I figured I'd test the temperature of the camera body. Perhaps a white one would have been a bit cooler. In conclusion, I'd have to say that I am very happy with this well-priced $150 dash cam. Its video is of high quality, and its capabilities are very impressive. I tested it as I would use it, but be assured that there are many more features of which you may take advantage. Vantrue does offer 24/7 support, and there's a 30-day return policy. Need more cameras? Check out their selections at vantrue.com.